3.11 says that the equation where k is a constant is satisfied by x is equals to 2. By this, it means that x is equals to 2 is a solution of given equation, then the value of k is. Since x is equals to 2 is a solution of the given equation and k is a constant means a single number, we can find the value of k by putting in x is equals to 2 in the given equation. So given equation is x square plus kx minus 18 is equals to 0. If x is equals to 2, 2 square plus k into 2 minus 18 is equals to 0. 2k, 2 square is 4. 4 minus 18 is minus 14 is equals to 0 and k is equals to 7. This is my answer to 3.11. Now k is equals to 7, which is part D or option D. Option D is my answer. Next question is solution of the equation x plus 5 whole square is equals to 16 is. So to solve this, x plus 5 whole square is equals to 16. When power 2 goes on to the right hand side, it becomes a square root. So x plus 5 is equals to square root of 16 and we put plus minus signs. X plus 5 is equals to plus minus 4. Therefore x plus 5 either equals 4 and x is equals to minus 1, or x plus 5 is equals to minus 4 and x is equals to minus 9. These are the two possible answers. So 3.12 will be B. One more method, one more technique is to substitute each answer in the given equation, which we will discuss in class, and find the answer. 3.13 3.13 says that the number of color TV sets sold by a firm was three times of what? The combined means total sale of CD players and radios. CD players and radios. Number of TV sold is 3 times the sales of CD players and radios. Number of color TV sold is 72, which is given, and it is 3 times the combined sale of CD players plus radios, and we have sold 8 radios. It is also mentioned. So 72 TVs and 8 radios. We do not know the amount of CD players, but we know this is 8. The radios, number of radios is 8. 72 divided by 3 is 24. 24 is equals to number of CD players sold plus 8, and therefore CD players sold is equals to 16. So my answer will be 3.13 C. 3.14 3.14 says given that 8x square minus 2xy minus 3y square is equals to 0, then y in terms of x is 8x square minus 2x into y minus 3y square is equals to 0. Now 8, or the extreme left term and extreme right term, minus 3. Multiplication is minus 24, so we have to break the mid term in such a way that the multiplication of the two numbers in which we break the midterm should be minus 24 as well. It will be 8x square minus 6xy plus 4xy minus 3y square is equals to 0. If we solve minus 6xy plus 4xy, it will be minus 2xy. This is the first condition. Second condition is that minus 6 into plus 4 must also be equals to minus 24, and it is. Minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. Now from the first two terms we can take 2x common. If we take 2x common, we are left with 4x minus 3y. From the second two terms we can take y common. If we take y common, we are left with 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. So 2x plus y and 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. either 2x plus y is equals to 0. If 2x plus y is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 2x. And on the other side, if 4x minus 3y is equals to 0, minus 3y is equals to minus 4x, and y is equals to 4 over 3x. So my answer to 3.14 will be B. 4x divided by 3 and minus 2x. This is 3.14. Moving on to next part, next question, which is 3.15. 3.15 says that e power 4x is equals to 7, and it is also given that ln 7 is equals to 1.95. Applying ln on both sides, ln e power 4x is equals to ln 7, and applying the log properties, we can write it as 4x into ln e is equals to, we know ln 7 is 1.95. We also know that ln e is equals to 1, so 4x into 1 is equals to 1.95, and therefore x is equals to 1.95 divided by 4. 1.95 divided by 4 is equals to 0.4875. So my answer will be C, 0.4875. This is my answer. 3.16. 3.16 says log x2 plus log x4 plus log x64 is equals to 9. Now applying log property, whenever there is a plus sign and bases of log are same, we can multiply the number. So this will be log x 2 into 4 into 64 is equals to 9. And when we solve it, it will be log x 512 is equals to 9. Converting the log form into index form, 512 is equals to x power 9. X power 9, when it will go on to the left hand side, it will be root 9 512 is equals to x, and x will be equals to 2. This will be my answer. 3.17, x is equals to 2 is the answer, so my answer to 3.16 is A. Moving on to 3.17. 3.17 says that value of x if ln 3 plus ln 3 plus 2 into ln x is equals to ln x plus 2. There is a property in logs which we studied in class which says that log a power y is equals to y into log a. So this can be converted into this form, and the reverse form will be log a power y. Applying the same property, this will be ln 3 plus, if I make this 2 power of x, this will be ln x square is equals to ln x plus 2, and since there is a plus sign, we can convert into the multiply. It will be ln 3x square is equals to ln x plus 2, and now 3x square will be equals to x plus 2. Now 3x square plus minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, so we have to break the midterm in such a way that its multiplication is also minus 6. We can break it into form 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 3x plus 2x is minus x. If we solve this, we will get minus x, and also minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Now taking 3x common, if we take 3x common from first two terms, x minus 1 is left. On the other side, if we take 2 common, we are left with x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore 3x plus 2 x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what we will do is that 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 over 3, and if x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1. Therefore, my two answers are x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 2 over 3. X is equals to 1 and minus 2 over 3, which means that 3.17 is B. B is my correct answer. Moving on to 3.18. 3.18 says that log 2 is equals to something, log 3 is equals to something, log 7 is equals to something, and we have to find the value of log under root of 14. Now you can solve log under root of 14 on your calculators, but if calculator is not allowed, what you will do is that log under root 14 can be written as 14 power half. Applying log properties, we can write the power before the log and it will be half into log 14. Log 14 can be written as log 7 plus log 2. The log property says that if there is a plus sign, we multiply 7 into 2 and it becomes 14, and if we reverse that property, we can write log 14 as log 7 plus log 2. What property it is? It is the property in which we studied in class, which was log base a b plus log base a c is equals to log base a b into c. Now we know the value of log 7. Log 7 is given as 0.8451, and we know the value of log 2. Log 2 is given as 0.3010. If we solve this, 0.8451 and 0.3010 added multiplied by zero point 0.5. This will be 0.57305. 0.57305, which is 3.18a. Okay. So I will be solving other questions, the upcoming questions, in my next video lecture. Thank you for watching this one.